Hey everyone, welcome back to Fundamental Finances, where we break down money, markets, and crypto in a way that actually makes sense. Today, we're diving into something we all love, earning money while we sleep. That's right, I'm talking about passive income with crypto. Whether you're brand new or just looking to make your crypto work harder for you, I've got you covered with the top strategies to earn passive income in the crypto world. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Why passive income with crypto? Before we jump into the strategies, let's answer a simple question. Why earn passive income with crypto? Well, traditional savings accounts barely earn anything, maybe 0.5% per year if you're lucky. But in crypto, you can earn 5 or 10%, even 20% plus APY just by holding certain assets or participating in smart strategies. Plus, it's a great way to build wealth without day trading or staring at charts all day. Strategy: staking. First up, staking. If you hold proof-of-stake coins like Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, or Cardano ADA, you can stake your tokens and earn rewards. Think of it like earning interest. You're helping secure the network, and in return, you get paid in that coin. You can stake directly through wallets like MetaMask, Ledger, or exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. Pros: low effort, predictable returns, relatively safe if you choose solid projects. Cons: locked periods, some risk of slashing if validators misbehave. Tip: start with Ethereum or Cardano if you're new. They're widely supported and easy to stake. Strata 2: crypto savings accounts. Next, let's talk about crypto savings accounts. Platforms like Nexo, uHodler, and Swissborg allow you to deposit stablecoins like USDC or USDT and earn up to 8 to 12% interest annually. It's perfect for people who want low volatility but still want solid returns. Pros: earn without price fluctuations, flexible withdrawals. Cons: not FDIC insured, so choose platforms carefully. Always check the platform's security, insurance policies, and user reviews. Tip: stick to reputable platforms and don't go all in. Spread across a few to reduce risk. Strategy: liquidity providing. Strategy number 3 is providing liquidity on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or Balancer. Here's how it works. You deposit 2 tokens into a liquidity pool and you earn a share of the trading fees. Example: provide ETH and USDC in a 50-50 ratio. When users trade between those, you get a cut of the fees. This can earn anywhere from 5% to 30% APY, depending on the pool. Pros: higher potential returns, exposure to DeFi. Cons: risk of impermanent loss, which can eat into profits if token prices shift. Always do your research before jumping into a pool. Start with stablecoin pools like USDC DAI if you want to minimize risk. Strategy number 4: yield farming. Yield farming is like staking on steroids. You deposit crypto into a protocol and earn rewards in multiple tokens. Popular platforms include Aave, Curve, Beefy Finance, and Yearn Finance. Returns can be very high, but so can the complexity. APY potential. Cons: attract risk, token volatility, and higher fees. This is for people who are ready to dig deeper into DeFi. Strategy 5: node operating, cloud mining. This one's more advanced, running nodes or participating in cloud mining. For some blockchains, you can run a masternode or a validator node, which earns you consistent rewards. Or you can try cloud mining services if you don't want to deal with hardware. Pros: higher returns, helps decentralize the network. Cons: technical setup, upfront costs, risk of scams in cloud mining. Strategies: NFT and GameFi rentals. Here's a fun one: NFT rentals and GameFi passive income. Some games and metaverse projects let you rent out your NFTs or land for in-game profits. Projects like Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, and My Neighbor Alice are doing this. Pros: creative, unique income stream. Cons: depends on game popularity, which is not beginner-friendly. Which strategy is best for you? All right, let's recap real quick. Staking, great for beginners. Crypto savings, low risk, especially with stablecoins. Liquidity providing higher returns, but watch impermanent loss. Yield farming, complex but powerful. Node cloud mining, advanced users. NFT, experimental but fun. My advice: start small. Try staking or savings accounts first. Then, as you learn more, branch out. And remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and money hacks. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite passive income strategy, or which one are you trying next? Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep earning while you sleep.